Hello guys, Cyrus here, and today we're going to be talking about my 1997 Toyota Chaser. We're going to be driving this today, and 66 Chevy, and we're going to do a 0 to 60 timer on these, so that should be fun. I've never done this before. I've done it in my Hellcat a bunch of times, but nothing else. But let's talk about the Chaser a little bit. This is a 1997 GX100 Chaser it does not have a turbo. I'm going to put one on though, or I'm going to swap it, one of the two, and I have not done anything to it. So here it is. Let me unlock it. In the back seat here, in the back seat here, you'll see I have my wheels. I have wheels for it that I haven't put on yet. See back there? They are, I don't know what they are. I forgot now. They're something, but I haven't even done anything to this. I got to put a steering wheel on it. Kind of like this steering wheel, but I don't know. So I guess let's pop the hood and I'll show you that now. My pedal fell off. I knocked it off. I gotta put that back on. So underneath here, I don't really know what half this wiring does because it's all in Japan. I guess they tangle it all up. That's what the dude I bought it from said. So it's pretty clean underneath. It only has, I think, like 100 and see, it's a G. But everything I've read, I got a good new grill for it too. But everything I've read is that they have that they're pretty reliable cars. But it only has 116,000 kilometers, which is like, I don't know, like 85,000, 75,000, something like that. See this exhaust, I gotta get an exhaust where you trip over it all the time. You look underneath there, you kind of see a little bit of what it is. I'll put a picture up right now if it's not, if you didn't see anything, I'm gonna put one up anyway. There's what it looks like, so. It's a pretty crazy exhaust system, but it's right-hand drive. It's pretty fun. I bought a new climate control thing for it. I'm gonna try to put in maybe today. So I guess let's head out and we'll do the 0 to 60 timer. We'll see you out there, I guess. So see you in a minute. So we're on our way to do it now. So we should be there, I don't know, probably, hang on. We should be there in like 5 minutes. It's just up the road a little bit. So we should be there and get it ready to, I don't know, hang on. It should be ready, and we'll do the 0 to 60. I don't know how much it'll be. I'll guess like 15 seconds, I don't know. It's pretty slow, because from the factory it said they had, I think it was 130 horsepower, with, in the altitude, it's probably thinking like 75, so it's pretty slow. So hopefully it can do it, so I guess we'll see when we get to that road, so. There's a car behind me. So we're gonna do it now, so let's get going now. Okay, there's 60, there, I'm at 60. So that took like 19 seconds, I think is what it was. Oh, it smells. I think it was like 19 seconds-ish, so should take like, so that was pretty slow. My Hellcat does it in like 3.5 usually, so it shows how fast the Hellcat is. Really, it smells awful. This Chaser stinks because it has a custom exhaust system. I gotta get that fixed. I'm gonna get an exhaust for it, but it'll probably take like 4 months to get there, so hopefully it'll be here soon so I can not have to sit and smell on this. Keep going. I was gonna, so I guess I'll see you when I get back to the farm now. We're not gonna be able to end up doing it in the 66 because the 66 doesn't have the speedo cable working, so that it takes a while. So I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit, like once I get back to the farm, and we're gonna look around. I'll try to get some stuff running, so I'll see you back there.